Official spring rain.
Yeah, official spring rain. Already some neighborhoods have received some around Shelton, the San Juans, not so much over Seattle. Our KIRO 7 city cam from Queen Anne is showing cloudy skies, and the real rain, the real showers are on the way for, again, like yesterday, late afternoon, early evening. So right now, you go out the door and think, man, I don't need the umbrella. Might want it for later on today, the way things are going. Here is our KIRO 7 forecast, and into the afternoon, we'll see an increasing chance of rain, and the clouds moving in also, in fact, thickening up a little bit. KIRO 7 5-day forecast, you know, we'll get some improvements starting tomorrow afternoon with some more sun breaks. High pressure builds in Saturday, so of the 2 weekend days, we're voting for Saturday to be the nicest one with mid-50s, and some rain on Easter Sunday with showers following late Sunday and into Monday. 7:30, a KIRO 7 traffic update, and the first stop is going to be in the Seattle area, or at least a south area, just approaching Holgate on Interstate 5. Voila, there is your I-5 Holgate camera, and a pretty heavy flow of traffic, even though it's almost at the speed limit. A lot of cars coming in from the south end right now. You'll also find some slowdowns, the Valley Freeway at 222nd, but all in all, no blocking problems right now, and just your usual slowdowns. In fact, if anything, the traffic's been a little bit lighter this morning. Maybe a lot of folks taking some spring break. You're up to date now with our KIRO 7 traffic and weather together every 10 minutes. Have your waterproof bonnet with you for Sunday, because we'll have some more showers, and I'll show you that in the KIRO 7 5-day forecast coming right up. This morning, we've had a few showers here and there around the coast mostly, and then popping up around Shelton and the San Juans, and Seattle's been fairly dry. But we'll track the winds for you, because as the cold front approaches, these winds are going to start to pick up just a little bit. Southerlies over Everett at 12, Seattle 8-mile-an-hour winds. Same for Whidbey Island, and 7 and 6-mile-an-hour winds around the Tacoma and Olympia area. Temperatures like yesterday morning are in the 30s in a lot of neighborhoods. However, we're above freezing everywhere, including Tacoma 34, Olympia 37, and Bremerton now 36. Almost 40 degrees in downtown Seattle. We're working to get closer to that. Something else is getting closer to us is a weak cold front that's going to start approaching and give us some more rain for this afternoon and tonight. But for this afternoon and, well, at least the morning hours, we're not seeing as much precipitation. But we'll go ahead and animate this forecast. And you can see our computer models are picking up a little more rain coming in for the evening commute and overnight. More so in the North Sound, but up to a ½ inch in Seattle or close to it here before we're done with it tomorrow morning. Spot showers this morning, a few sun breaks, otherwise mostly cloudy skies and upper 30s for Seattle. 50 will be our afternoon high, and yep, the rain will be starting to move in. It's not a lot of rain, but nonetheless more steady showers that'll come in, and that breezy weather will also have southerlies to about 25 miles an hour with upper 40s for the evening time. This is our KIRO 7 5-day forecast. Expect the showers to back off tomorrow afternoon, partly to mostly sunny on Saturday, but as we mentioned, it will be a bit soggy and breezy on Sunday with upper 40s there, and the showers continue into Monday. As we approach 7:40, time for a KIRO 7 traffic update. See how Lakewood's doing here on our traffic view, and a DOT camera I have right at Highway 512 and I-5. A little bit of sun moving through Tacoma right now. Traffic is heavy on the approach to Lakewood on Highway 512. Across the bridges, notice on the right side of your screen, that is the southerly side of the 520 bridge, so it has been a bit breezy enough to give some chop on the water there. Don't have any blocking accidents. Good news this morning. And travel times, Tukwila to be a little over a ½ hour. Everett to Bellevue at 40 minutes. Those numbers are better than average. And we think, you know, a lot of folks on spring break now. Everett to Seattle 38 minutes, and Seattle to Redmond on 520 just 18. You're up to date. KIRO 7 traffic and weather together every 10 minutes.
All right, thanks for catching us up there, Rick. 40. And we've got some Seattle cleaner outside right now. Rain.
That's right. How about a little breeze? Are we going to have that as well, Rick?
Yeah, we'll get a little bit of breezy weather and some showers moving in later, although we've had some sun breaks this morning. A little break we enjoy before the next round of rain comes in. A look at our forecast for today, and you can expect highs to be right about upper 40s, low 50s for the Central Sound, and the greater majority of precip coming in for late afternoon and tonight, much like yesterday. Our KIRO 7 5-day forecast, you are in for some improvement tomorrow afternoon. Partly sunny skies, more sunshine on Saturday. So of the 2 weekend days, it will be the driest. Sunday looks a bit showery on Easter, and the winds will also pick up then as well. In fact, our winds will be gusting up tonight, too, southerlies to about 25. Showers continue on Monday. Time for a KIRO 7 traffic update. And you know what? We've done fairly well this morning. It seems like the volumes are lighter just because a lot of folks perhaps are taking some time off. And we have a view here, 522 and 405. Southbound traffic out of the Bothell-Woodinville area, a little bit sluggish, but it clears out quite nicely once you're down by Kirkland and head towards 520. Look at the beautiful shot we have of the Tacoma Narrows now. Sunshine over Tacoma and a very light flow of traffic, too. That's great. Here are your travel times from Bellevue to Tukwila, 15 minutes right on average. Issaquah to Seattle on Interstate 90 is 16 minutes. That, too, is right where it should be this time of the morning. Federal Way to Seattle, 43 minutes, and the Redmond commute to Seattle, 19. That's just a couple minutes longer than normal. You're on top of it. KIRO 7 traffic and weather together every 10 minutes.